Okay, so today's project today, and sorry for the wind, it's quite windy. I'm not sure what it's going to do on here, but it is quite windy. So, but today's project is we're just going to clean this up a little bit, and then we're going to knock these hills down just a little bit here. We got one there, and a smaller one over there, but we just want to clean up this edge. We're going to rake this area right here a little bit so that way we get rid of leaves. Stupid wind. And then we're going to just clean this area up right here and just add a little bit of crushed concrete in here. So if you can't really tell, but right here, like where my foot is, right there, like when it gets wet, it's very slippery. And it's kind of like clayish. It is clay. And it's a little bit of a mess. So we want it to look like that so it's got a better base. So that way when you drive on it, it's just not all muddy and everything. So, all right, well, I'll get things set up and let's get to her. All right, there. So we got our edge cut in, got those knocked down flat, so those look a lot better. And then I raked it out real good and then backbladed it, so it is ready for some material. So, all right, well, let's go get some material. Well, there, she's all done now. So got all the stone, the crushed concrete put in here. Got the edge done right there, all the way down there. And this edge right here is all done right here. There's one little line right there. I'll fix that before I leave. But yeah, that looks really good. Nice and packed down pretty good. And yeah, that'll work pretty good. Well, all right, thanks for watching. Really appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next one. Later.